Professional Secret Lesson 5: The Deep Clean versus Maintenance System. Are you exhausted from trying to deep clean everything every single time? You're not alone. Most homeowners make the same mistake that professional cleaners learned to avoid years ago. Here's the secret: there are two completely different types of cleaning, and mixing them up is why you feel overwhelmed. Deep cleaning tackles grout buildup behind appliances and inside light fixtures, things that only need attention once a month. Maintenance cleaning focuses on high-touch surfaces and visible areas to prevent buildup between deep cleanse. When you try to deep clean everything weekly, you burn out. When you only do maintenance, problems build up. But when you separate them like the pros do, cleaning becomes manageable instead of impossible. At Made Perfect, we've perfected this two-tier system. Our maintenance cleanings keep your home spotless week to week, while our scheduled deep cleanse tackle the hidden areas when they actually need it. No more overwhelming 3-hour cleaning marathons. No more avoiding cleaning because it feels impossible. We handle both systems for you: maintenance cleaning to keep everything fresh, and deep cleaning when it's actually needed. Plus, with our professional grade supplies and experienced teams, we get better results in less time than you could achieve alone. Book your cleaning online today and discover why over 1,000 Los Angeles families trust Made Perfect to make their homes effortlessly clean. Because life's too short to spend your weekends deep cleaning light fixtures.